In this video, I will show you how to set a daily limit on Instagram. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing and liking the video so others can find it too. So go ahead and open up the Instagram app on your phone. Then tap on your profile picture at the bottom right. Then what you're gonna do is to tap on the three lines that you see at the top right corner of your screen. Once you're here, go ahead and tap on your activity and go ahead and scroll down to the bottom and select time spent. So here's where you can manage your time and you can set also a daily limit. So go ahead and select that option, and you can also select how you want that daily limit to look like. You can pick 2 hours, you can also do 1 hour, 45 minutes, 30 minutes, or only 15 minutes if that's how long you want to use Instagram for during the day. Remember that Instagram is going to remind you to close the app whenever you reach that time limit. Once you select your daily limit, simply go back and you can refresh your screen. And now, as you can see, I have my daily limit set for 45 minutes a day. And that's it. I hope this video helped you.